The universe is so vast that it contains billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars. But why? If we are the only planet with life, do we need so much space? Is the universe too big? Welcome to Into the Desert, exploring the wilderness of ideas. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And if you'd like to support this channel and our mission of fostering discussion and not division, please also join us on Patreon. Link is in the description. In previous videos, we demonstrated that it is highly likely that the Earth is the only planet in the universe that supports life. Many doubt this conclusion because the universe is just too big. This is a particular issue for theists as it raises the question, if God created the universe for us, why did he make it so large? We don't even see all the stars in our galaxy, much less those other galaxies. So why were they created if we could not even see the vast majority of galaxies until the invention of powerful telescopes in recent years? As for the few galaxies that could be seen without telescopes, it was only in the 20th century that they were determined to be separate galaxies. This is a valid question for Christians who believe that the universe is young, created by God around 10,000 years ago. However, other Christians have no problem with the standard age of the Earth and universe as determined by science. Since they accept the science concerning the date, they also accept the scientific explanation for the universe's vast size. In the process of understanding the universe, scientists not only discovered its vast size, but also uncovered many physical constants and parameters. Recently, many scientists have noted that if the universe is to contain life, the values of these parameters are remarkably critical. This careful balancing found in so many critical factors is known as the anthropic cosmological principle. For example, one of the 4 fundamental forces in nature is the strong nuclear force. This force is responsible for holding the nucleus of an atom, the protons and neutrons, together. If this force were just a few percent stronger, then all of the hydrogen in the universe would have combined into helium. Without hydrogen, you cannot have life. On the other hand, if the strong nuclear force had been just a few percent weaker, it would not have been strong enough to hold together the larger atoms, such as carbon. Again, life would not have been possible. Concerning the size of the universe, this too is a delicate balance. Imagine a smaller universe, one with less mass. In that case, there would not have been enough helium produced during the early period of the Big Bang to create the heavier elements needed for life. Conversely, imagining a universe with a larger mass, then you'd have too much deuterium created. Too much deuterium would have caused the stars to burn much more rapidly, and they would have burned out before there was enough time for the development of life. Another problem with a smaller universe would have been the amount of time it existed. The special theory of relativity, discovered by Einstein during the early 20th century, linked the concepts of space and time. Because of this, if you know the size of the universe, then you can determine how long it will last. As John Barrow and Frank Tipler describe the problem in their book, The Anthropic Cosmological Principle,
if our universe were to contain just a single galaxy like the Milky Way containing 10 to the 11th stars, instead of 10 to the 12th such galaxies, we might regard this a sensible cosmic economy with little consequence for life. But a universe of mass 10 to the 11th solar mass would have expanded for only about a month. No observers could have evolved to witness such an economy-sized universe.
The universe is the size it is because it needs to be this size to support life. Thank you for listening to Into the Desert, exploring the wilderness of thoughts.